All right, everybody. So here we go. We're going to finally put those logos that you made to use by putting them in a business profile on your Google Docs. And then you'll be submitting it to me. All right. So the first thing we're going to do in your Google Classroom is you're going to go to your app drawer or your waffle, and you're going to go to Google Docs. Okay, you probably have your journal somewhere around here. That's fine. But we're going to create a new blank document. So you're going to go to blank. All right, once we're in the blank document, we're going to give it a title. That's what you always want to do first. So let's give this a title. We're going to call this Business, there's two S's, Profile. All right, Business Profile. All right, so once we gave it a title, just remember it automatically gets saved to your Google Drive. There's no need to save anything here in Google Docs. In fact, look, if I just close it, all right, and I go back to my waffle, I go back to Docs, we've got, it should be saved here, Business Profile. Here it is. Okay, so you don't need to save anything. It automatically saves in the cloud. Okay, so we're going to do this Business Profile. Now, we're going to write again right here, Business Profile. All right, and we're going to highlight that and center it and bold it. Okay, then we're going to press enter, but we're going to go back to the left, align, and we're going to go ahead and give this oh wait, let me unbold. Sorry, let me unbold. We're going to call it business name, colon. Okay, we're going to make a little list here of several things. Address. Sir, do we use our home address? No, just make one up or change the number slightly from your home address. Okay, phone number. Sir, do we use our phone number? No, you can just maybe change the number slightly, and then that's your business phone number. Okay, and then so we have now the logo. Okay, so then we also have industry. Sir, how do I know what industry my business is in? Go with that. It's going to be service, which would be like a salon. It's going to be a online business. It's going to be a brick and mortar. What's a brick and mortar? That's an actual physical building, like let's say a hardware store or like Walmart. Walmart, that's a brick and mortar store. It's not online. And then lastly, is it manufacturing? Manufacturing would be like that you make things. Okay, so under industry, you're going to put whether it's a service, an online business, a brick and mortar, or manufacturing, or you can choose two or three, whatever it is. So if it's a salon, it's a service, and I guess you could say it's a brick and mortar because you have a physical building there. Okay. What is your company motto? Okay, I mean, if you don't have one, put none, but it could be, uh, whatever your company motto is. And then I'm going to I'm going to ask you guys for a mission statement. Okay, so your mission statement is, for instance, in my business right here, Alamo Steakhouse, Family Dining. Okay, our mission statement is to provide quality, to provide a quality dining experience. Okay, just like kind of like a little, what do all your employees, so they're all on the same page, what is it that is your mission? Okay, that you can always fall back on and being like, ma'am, you're not providing a quality dining experience with that attitude or something, that's your mission statement. Okay, now projected annual sales for 2021. What are your projected sales? Well, we're going to make $30,000. We're going to make $20,000. We're going to make $1 million. Okay, now also, how will the business work? So you might be saying, sir, we just sell tacos. That's it. We just sell tacos. It's that easy. Well, yeah, but where do you buy the stuff from? And I don't want you to write an essay, but let's say you have a taco truck, okay? You need to include things like, is there anything that has to be bought to start? Do you need to get a license or a certificate? So if I have a food truck, okay, I'll say, I have to get a food uh, safety license. Sir, I don't know what we need to get. How do I know what we need to get? Well, like, just doesn't have to be exactly. I'm not saying you have to call the county and ask them. I'm just saying, if you're going to be selling food, you do need some sort of license. Um, Food will be sold out of a food truck on weekends. Um, in in the city park. Just a little description how the business will work. Just a little business. Okay, so the and then finally company colors. Okay, so in the case of my steakhouse, the company colors are black, gray, and white. And so the name of the business was Alamo Steakhouse. The address, 123 ABC Street in Alamo, Texas. The phone number is 956. Okay, now here's the interesting part, the logo. This is what I really wanted to get at. There's a couple ways to do this. You can go right here, put your cursor where you want to insert the logo, and you're going to go to Insert, Image, and Upload from your computer. All right, now I'm going to find that image. And once I find it, I'm going to click Open. And there's my logo. Okay, you can also center it. All right, there's my logo. You can resize it a little bit. Oops. All right, that works. That's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. All right. All right. I guess when I centered it, it kind of messed it up because it brought the word logo with it. You can just press spacebar like that too. Okay. Now, let's say, sir, I can't get it. That's too hard. I can't figure that out. Okay, put your cursor where you want the picture, and you can just open your logo, and you can right click, and you can copy, and then go back to your document, and you can right click and paste. That's another way to do it. So you can either go to Insert, Image, and upload it, or if you saved it in your drive already, you can just get it from your drive, or you can just copy and paste it in there. Okay, so once you have your business profile all done, and you know what, let's put some space, all right, so that way it looks a little nicer. I think it'll look nicer. All right. Okay, now if you want to see like how this is going to look, you can go to File. I wonder if there's a preview, maybe under Print, and you'll see like a preview of how it's looking once it loads up. Okay, so that's how my business profile is looking. Not too difficult, guys. Business name, address, phone number, logo. And the reason why we're doing this is because we're going to do more with this business. But if you do this now, you'll already have all the information for the future assignments that we're going to be doing. Okay, industry, what is it? A service, an online business, a brick and mortar, or a manufacturing company, or a combination of these? What's your company motto? Mine is family dining. just very simple, family dining. Mission statement is to provide a quality dining experience. Projected sales for 2020, I forgot to fill that in, but I expect to make $1.5 million a year from my Alamo Steakhouse. How will the business work? I have to get a food, I have to get, well, then I made this for a food truck, but you would put what you need. So if you're doing a hair salon, well, I need to get my license to cut hair, my cosmetology degree, whatever. Maybe you have to get, maybe if you're an attorney, I have to go to law school and get my attorney's uh, certificate or whatever. And then finally, the company colors. Okay, so that is it. Once you're all done with that, you're going to go up here to share, and you're going to click on share. And here's the important part. Okay, I'm going to share this with, right here, Joanna Omaya, Miss Amaya. But very important here, you have to click this down arrow and just put me as a viewer. Because if you put me as an editor, I got to go in and accept it and all this and that. So it's best just to put me as a viewer and hit send. I'm not going to send this to Miss Amaya, but make sure you put me as a viewer and hit send. And then I'll get that in my inbox. And I'll put a grade for you guys. Okay, so do I have any questions on that? No, it's okay. So remember, you have to have your logo. You have to know how to copy and paste. You have to know how to crop a picture, take a screenshot. All those things that we've learned already, you're implementing them all into this assignment. Okay, so good luck. I'll see you mañana.